What's going on, guys? Keith at Legere Auto Works. Got this beautiful twin turbo Huracán in here today. Just gonna go back and wire up this front camera for the Wolf Box, the digital rear view mirror. It's got a camera on the front of the mirror itself and then a camera at the back, but you can add a third camera, catch the front bumper here, protect this beautiful lip. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. Okay. So I'm here, Keith. Getting low.
Hold on. We supposed to be doing work, and you go get snacks, my dude.
Yeah, you know. gotta fuel this body for all this work.
Hey, come on.
How we do? I think my blood sugar's getting low.
All of a sudden, he's diabetic, y'all.
Yeah. Oh. Right.
Yo, you about to take a nap?
Yeah, just a quick 30-minute nap, you know.
Well, we got this twin turbo Huracán, though.
I'm gonna take a nap with the bumper. So when vehicles equipped with the front headlight washers, you want to undo the fluid line. Ideal to pinch it off. If you've got some little coolant hose clamps. And then there are these plastic cups right here that have plastic tabs that hold them, and you got to pull that cup off. Then you can go up and disconnect the headlight washer. So that's what we are about to do. Little cup, 3 of these push clips, 1, 2, 3. And then once you get that cup off, you've got the actual headlight washer here with the line that goes to it. Same thing. Maybe. There we go. Slide this little push tab out. Slides down. Disconnect your line. Get a little bit of dribble, but that's why you clamp it off over here to keep the excess from dripping. I thought I could get away with not taking the shield off, but nope. That's not good.
Oh, shit.
That's broken. That's supposed to stay up like that.
There ain't no screws in it, though.
Well, those screws will hold this up to this.
Oh, okay.
This plastic is actually broken. See?
Yeah.
This plastic actually holds itself up here. That's part of the radiator shroud. So,
Well,
man.
that boy right there.
All right. Perfect. Thank you, sir. All right, so we got our bumper off. Now we're going to be mounting this front camera. Customer in this particular situation wants it down here. So we just drilled a little hole right up in here, get it centered, mark it with a marker, paint pen, something like that. And then if you've got yourself a right angle drill, that'd be handy, or low profile ratchet wrench, either or. We've got our hole made, so we're going to go ahead and tighten this up. There we go. And then there are adjustment screws on the side so you can get the angle you want, tighten them down, and you're good to go. All right, so we got our camera mounted on the front bumper. The very last thing that we have to do regarding the install is route our wire in through the body plug here at that front firewall. And we route it in, hide our wires, and plug right into the rear view camera, and then it's ready to go. The body plug on this is a little bit tricky. It's hidden down back in behind here. I'm not going to be able to show you exactly, but the best way to do this would be to work from the inside of the car out. Get you something like this, little grabbing tool, or just something long and flexible that you can attach the end of your wiring to and kind of push it through that bung, route it up and through, then come on this side, grab it, and be able to pull it through, because there's not a whole lot of room for you to actually get your hands down in here and grab the cable. So you're going to need some assistance. Be creative, and you can make something work.
Look at that, dude. Oh, dude, that's sick.
Nice.
Yeah, it turned out pretty good.
Oh, that's sick.
So you can, so actually if you swipe,
Yeah.
you can switch it to the front camera.
Yeah.
It's movable, so you can adjust it.
Yeah. Oh, okay. I was gonna say, cause yeah, okay. I was wondering how it worked if it was fixed.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, that's sick.
Yeah, and then there's a bazillion different settings.
Oh yeah, I'll go in like when I get back. As long as it's recorded now, so I can get home. And that's dude, that's sick.
It's got a ton of
Dude,
stuff.
that's not bad for $300, to be honest, dude.
Yeah,
That's crazy.
ton of stuff. So